the Son of Man as judge. When the Son of Man comes in his glory, and all the holy angels, when him he will set on throne of his glory. All the nations will be gathered before him, and he will separate them one from another, as a shepherd divides his sheep from the goats. And he will set the sheep on his right hand, and the goats on the left. The king will say to those on his right hand, "Come, you blessed of my Father, inherit the kingdom prepared for you from the foundation of the world. For I was hungry, and you gave me food. I was thirsty, and you gave me drink. I was stranger, and you took me in. I was naked, and you clothed me. I was sick, you visited me. I was prison, and you came to me." Then the righteous will answer him, saying, "The Lord, when did you see hungry and found you thirsty and gave you drink? When did you see sick or prison and come to you?" And the king answered and said to them, "Surely I say to you, inasmuch as you did one of the last of my brethren, you did it me." Then he will also say to those on the left hand, "Depart from me, you cross into the everlasting fire prepared for the evil and his angels. For I was hungry, and you gave me no food. I was thirsty, and you gave me no drink. I was a stranger, and you did not take me in. Naked, and you did not clothe me. And sick in a prison, and you did not visit me." Then they also answered him, saying, "The Lord, when did we see you hungry, or thirsty, or a stranger, or naked, or sick, or in a prison, and you did not minister to you?" Then he will answer him, saying, "Surely I say to you, in much not it no one of the lost. This do not do it me, and will go away to everlasting punishment, but the righteousness into eternal life.